Now students, let us discuss the exercise of this chapter. Fill in the blanks using is, are or am. Okay, you know that where do we use is? We use is with single person name or he or she, okay, or single object. We use are with you, we, they, or more than one person or more than one object. We use am with I, okay. The bus dash blue in color. Bus is single, that is why we have used is. The bus is blue in color. I dash a dancer. You know that we use am with I, so we will write I am a dancer. The kites are colorful. Okay, kites. It is more than one. The window dash closed. Window is one, okay, single, that is why it is written window, otherwise it must have written windows, okay. So the window is closed. The picture, it is not pictures. The picture is beautiful. There dash a house on the hill. A house, so we will write is. His eyes, not I, his eyes are red. My friend's house dash on this street. So house is single, we will write is. Next, write the correct sentences. So the sky is blue in color. The sentence is correct, so we will put a correct sign. Kabir, Prabhas and Advait is friends. So there are more than one person, that is why here what should come? Are. Okay, now here it is, so it is a wrong sentence. The candles are brightly colored. Candles, okay, more than one, that is why here it has used are, so it is a correct sentence. The computer are broken. Computers, it is not computers now, it is computer, one computer, so it is wrong. Praveer is a naughty boy. Praveer is a single boy, that is why it has used is, so it is a correct sentence. My hands are wet. Hand, not hands, na? That's why it is wrong. Here should come, what should come here? Is. It is a big box. It is correct. This tool is made of wood. This is also correct. Next, match the words in column A with those in column B. Now we have to match these columns with the correct one. The duck, here duck is one. Now what can come in duck? The duck is in the pond. Okay, number 1. The clothes are wet. The bucket is full of water. It is a cold day. We use am with I am happy today. They are going to the market. Okay, in this way you will fill it. Now students, see this exercise. Fill in the blanks with the ing forms of the doing words in the box. Okay, now we have to fill these blanks and we have to add ing to the doing words. Here see, he is dash cold. Here what will come? Feel will come, but is it looking nice that he is feel cold? No. Here we will add ing to this doing word and it will become he is feeling cold. Same here. I am eat my lunch or I am eating my lunch? I am eating my lunch. Radha and Mary are talk or talking? Talking. Radha and Mary are talking. They are go to the market or going to the market? Going to the market. We will add ing. Sonam is play football or playing football? Sonam is playing football. You are dash water. So what will come? Drink or drinking? Drinking. We will add ing to the doing words like this. Okay. Next, Fill in the blanks with the ing form of the given doing words. Devi is dash to her mother. Now the option is talk, and we have to add ing to this doing word. Okay, so it will become talking. Devi is talking to her mother. Birds are fly in the sky or flying. Birds are flying in the sky. It is dash heavily. Rain or raining? Raining. Okay, see, the option is here given in the bracket. We have to add ing. Okay, the girl is singing. Next, Farah and Sheena are watch TV or watching TV? Watching. My father is clean the car or cleaning the car? Cleaning. Okay, we will add ing. Next, fill in the blanks with is, am, are and the ing form of the doing words. Here you have to see where you have to put is, are, am, and you will add ing to the doing word as well. I dash chocolate. Eat. Now as I told you before that we use am with I. Okay, so I am. Eat chocolate? No, it will be eating. I am eating chocolate. They. Now they, what do we use with they? Is or are? We use are. Okay, they are sweeping the floor. He dash in his bed. So he, what do we use with he? He is a single person. So he is sleeping. Okay, he is used for a single man or a boy. My mother is because mother is one. My mother is cooking delicious food. So is cooking. Sia dash, what will come? Is. Sia is a single girl, so is crying. The nurse dash the old lady. Help. The nurse, single nurse, one nurse. Okay, the nurse is helping the old lady. Okay, now here this is a kind of exercise activity. Complete the sentence with naming words of your choice. Here you have to fill naming words of your choice. Like first is filled with you. Saji and Joseph are going on a holiday. Okay, rest of other blanks you can fill by yourself. Dash is fishing in the lake, so you can write any name. Okay, say Kanak is fishing in the lake. Dash is peeping out of the window. You can take any name. Sam is peeping out of the window. Dash are looking for nuts. Children. Here are is used now, so we have to use plural word. Children are looking for nuts. Dash is stitching clothes. You can write tailor. Dash are peeling potatoes. Are. Okay, so what we can write here? We can write here chefs. Dash is selling fruits, so fruit seller. Okay, or vendor. Dash are playing hide and seek. What we can write? We can write children. Okay, like this you can also fill the exercise. Thank you.